Okay, good morning to all. Welcome back. In the last class, we have discussed about the three layers of the TCP/IP model: application layer, transport layer, internet layer. So today I'm going to discuss about the network interface layer. In the network interface layer of the four-layer TCP/IP model, this layer is also called a network access layer. It help you to define, you can say, the details of how data should be sent using the network, and it also includes how bits should optically be signaled by hardware devices and which directly interface with a network medium like coaxial, optical, coaxial fiber or twisted pair cables. And next is a network layer is a combination of the data line and defined in the article of OSI reference model, and this layer defines how the data should be sent physically through the network. That means this network interface layer, there is a data link layer and the physical layer. So data link layer is having again sub two layers. One is your LLC and another is a MAC layer. LLC is the logical link control and another is the medium access control. And whatever the physical layer, the physical layer is basically physically connected to the receiver side. That means through any guided medium or unguided medium. Guided medium like through the cables, maybe broadband, maybe coaxial, maybe twisted, any type of cables, or in the unguided medium is any electromagnetic, in the wave transmission you can say. So that is the coming under the network interface layer. So these all about the four layers of the TCP/IP model, the application, transport, internet, network interface layer. Within the application layer, there are also the three layers: application layer itself, and the presentation layer, and the session layer is also within that application layer. These four layers of the TCP/IP model, within that you can say that the data will be transmitted from the sender to receiver, and the receiver end of, suppose there is also a TCP/IP protocol, and that side also maintain this type of four layers. Okay, so next is your secure socket layer or SSL is one most important thing. Secure socket layer provides security to the data that is transferred between web browser and server. SSL encrypt the link between a web server and a browser, which ensures that all data passed between them remain private and free from attack. So SSL is a secure socket layer. It is for the security purpose, and it is provide the security during the transmission of the data from the web browser to the server side. Next is your secure socket layer protocol. What is secure socket layer protocol? This secure socket layer protocol having the you can say this type of following these protocols: SSL record protocol, handshake protocol, chain cipher spec protocol, and alert protocol. So in this scenario, first come to the SSL protocol stack. This is the SSL protocol. This is the SSL protocol stack. In the SSL protocol stack, this is the SSL record protocol, handshake protocol, chain cipher spec protocol, and alert protocol. First come to the SSL record protocol. SSL record provides two services to SSL connection. One is your confidentiality, second one is your message integrity. Confidentiality means what? Whatever the data sent from the sender to receiver, that should be confidential between the sender and receiver. No other party can able to know that about that message. So this is known as the confidentiality. And whatever the integrity, now the structure of the sender at the sender part, that should be maintained at the receiver part. Right now, that is the, you can say that is the message integrity. In SSL record protocol application, data is divided into fragment, and fragment means the small pieces, you can say, of the data. The fragment is compressed and then encrypted message authentication code and generated by algorithm like SHA, secure hash protocol, and the message digest in appended mode. Next is your handshaking protocol. What do you mean the handshaking protocol? The handshake protocol is used to establish sessions, and this protocol allows client and server to authenticate each other by sending a series of messages to each other. Handshake protocol uses 4 phases to complete its cycle. So it starts to session. Handshake protocol means handshaking. That means it responsible to start the session for the communication. So this is the phase 1, 4 phase, phase 1. In phase 1, both client and server send hello packets to each other, and each this IP session, cipher suit and protocol version are exchanged for security purpose. Phase 2, server send his certificate and server key exchange. Server end the phase 2 by sending server hello and packet. Phase 3, in this phase, client reply to the server by sending his certificates and client exchange key. Phase 4, it change cipher should occur and after his handshake protocol ends. Next come to the chain cipher spec protocol. This protocol uses SSL record protocol. Like handshake protocol is completed and the SSL record output will be in pending state. After the handshake protocol, the pending state is converted into current state. Chain cipher protocol consists of single message which is 1 byte in length and can have only one value. So this is the about chain cipher protocol. Next come to the alert protocol, and this protocol is used to convey SSL related alerts to the peer entity. Each message in this protocol contains 2 bytes, one for label, another one is for alert. Label again further classified into 2 parts. One is your warning, second one is your fatal error. So this is the label part. So this is all about the SSL secure socket layer, whatever the protocols are used in this SSL protocol, and this is the about the protocol stack, handshake protocol, chain cipher, alert, HTTP, SSL record protocol, TCP/IP, everything is there. So this is about the secure socket layer. Next is your transport layer security. Transport layer security are designed to provide security at the transport layer. TLS was derived from a security protocol called SSL, Secure Service Layer, and TLS ensure that no third party may tampers with any message. There are several benefits of TLS. Let's look. What are the benefits behind this TLS? Encryption, interoperability, algorithm flexibility, ease of deployment, ease of use. So encryption, TLS SSL can help to secure transmitted data using encryption. So interoperability, TLS SSL works with most web browsers, including Microsoft Internet Explorer, and on most operating system and web servers. Next is your algorithm flexibility. This TLS SSL provides operations for authentication mechanism, encryption algorithms and hashing algorithms, and that are used during this secure session. And ease of deployment, many applications like TLS or SSL temporarily on a Windows Server 2003 operating systems. And ease of use, because we implement TLS SSL, the application layer, most of its operations are completely invisible to client. So these are the several benefits of TLS encryption. process interoperability, algorithm flexibility, ease of deployment, and ease of use. For the next is this is your SHTTP. This is the Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol, SHTTP. These are the characteristics of SHTTP. First, what is the SHTTP? This SHTTP protocol stands for Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and it is a secure, that means it's HTTP secure, or HTTPS also it is known as that, HTTPS. Nowadays this is HTTPS protocol is generally active. It is a secure, for that means it is a security. Could be a combination of the hypertext transfer protocol with the SSL and TLS convention to supply, and supply encrypted communication and secure distinguished proof of a arranged web server. And if the URL of that site is just HTTP, at that point anything you are pursuing or whatever points of interest you are putting on that site, on the off chance that a programmer needs to take your data. Therefore, SHTTP is more secure than HTTP because SHTTP is certified by the SSL Secure Socket Lab, and whatever website you are visiting on the internet, if the URL is HTTP, then that website is not secure. So nowadays maximum website in the transferring in your search bar of the web browser is HTTPS in place of HTTP, and it is Secure Socket Lab. Then what are the come to the characteristics of SHTTP? First is your security, next is your need of SSL, authentication, browsing of privately. So thank you for today's class. Next class we are going to again discuss about this SHTTP, Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So thank you to all.